Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine, stay blessed and hope that you are learning your lesson timely. If you have any problem, you may ask any question in school timing. Let's get started our today's lesson. It is all about the revision of the first 6 weeks that will help you to solve your papers. Okay. Now, planner number 8, 9 is all about the reading of Gulliver in Lilliput. You have to read this and you have to learn all the difficult word meaning by yourself. Okay. After that, you have to do the practice of learn pronunciation, learn to listen. Planner number 11, look at this. On book page number 18 and 20 by yourself also, and planner number 13 is also learn to speak, do practice of it on page number 20. And after that you have to learn form of the verbs 1 to 10 workbook page number 24. Okay, and this is all the work that you have to do it by yourself. Now come to the page number 2, 3 and page number 4 for the clearance of the unit the Gulliver. Okay, this is the revision beta of your subject that will help you to solve your paper. I am saying it again and again, so be very careful and learn your lesson timely. Okay, unit number 1, page number 2, it is your C work. Consult your dictionary. I have told you beta how you have to use dictionary, how you have to find out the words and their definitions, or you may say that meaning. You can say it and make the sentences of these words. I have done it for you before. So first one is voyage, a journey, especially on one in a ship. Then use this word in your sentence and kind of sentence. Is it noun or pronoun? Okay, fright, spear, a platform, pleased. You have to find it out the meaning of the words, kind of the word, and make the sentence of all these words. Okay, come to the page number 3, unit number 1. Recall the story. Beta, as I always say that beta, be very careful and be very attentive while reading the unit. It will really help you to recall the story, to retell the story, to solve the exercises according to the story. So you have to write the title Gulliver in Lilliput in the title line. Okay, here same like here. After that, what is the story mostly about? It is mostly about Gulliver's stay at Lilliput. Okay. Number 2, write 2 things you found interesting in the story. Size of Lilliputians, scene of their fighting against Gulliver. It was really very funny because Gulliver was so as a normal person, but the Lilliputians were too small, but their courage was too big that they were fighting with against Gulliver. Okay, write the given list in order ABC. You know very well the word A or B, alphabetically order the words will come. Okay, number 1 across, 2 arrow. In the same first letter, what you have to do, you have to check out the second letter. In if the first 2 letters are same, then you have to check out the third same as. Okay, so look at this: 1, 2, several, 3, spears 4, stacks 5, and string 6. Okay, now come to the page number 4. It is all about the questions of the Gulliver. Why were the Lilliputians able to tie up Gulliver? They were able to tie up Gulliver because he was sleeping at that time. ठीक है, वो उस वक्त सो रहा था इसलिए वो उसको बांध सके. List the things in the passage that prove that the Lilliputians were very small. Their number 1, their arrows were too small. They had to climb up a platform to talk the Gulliver. They could easily walk on him. Okay, these all the things are showing that they were very small. Number 3, if you become very tiny like the Lilliputian, what are the things you would like to do? Okay, if I would like to travel in train, as a short man can easily fit in a bird and even lie down on it. Okay. Number 4, what do you think Gulliver will do next? He will make a wise plan to get freedom from Lilliputians. Okay, this is the revision of your week number 1. Hope you will do this time to time and learn your lesson very well and do your work very well. Stay blessed.